Hi guys, it's Jasmine, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up, hello, hit subscribe and stick around for more. In today's video, we're going to be testing out another teeth whitening product. Recently we tested out this bad boy, the HIsmile Color Corrector. If you have missed that video, I will link it in the description down below and in the live view. But in today's video, I thought we'd test out another HIsmile product, the HIsmile Teeth Whitening Strips. Now, they look a bit battered, and there may have been an incident where I sat on them. I squashed them. So in this little box, it contains 28 strips in total, 14 upper and 14 lower. So before we use it, let's have a look at the instructions. Directions for use. Thoroughly dry teeth before use. How do you dry your teeth? Peel off the long strip and apply the sticky side to top teeth. Press down firmly and fold over the back of your teeth to secure. Repeat for a short strip on the bottom teeth. Allow 30 minutes for whitening treatment, then remove strip. This all sounds very promising, but I have just seen, caution, product is not intended to use by children. Do not use if pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not swallow strip. Do not use in eye area. Who is using this in their eye area? I have so many questions that are never going to get answered here. But without further ado, if you want to see how this little product works, just continue to watch. So let's have a little look at what the actual strips look like. So it comes looking like this, which it's quite cute. It also has the instructions on the back of the strips too, so that's a bonus. So it's a travel safe. Now, obviously we had to do this one for 30 minutes. I'm going to assume that we're going to have to go ahead and brush our teeth beforehand to make sure our teeth are like clean. And then I'm going to figure out how do we dry our teeth. I have a terrible feeling it's going to be so dribbly and it's going to look really gross. So I'm going to get my toothbrush and brush my teeth, and then we'll be back to dry our teeth. So I have just thought, as I've gone to get my toothbrush and toothpaste, I have really sensitive teeth. Now, the color corrector didn't make my teeth sensitive, but also I didn't leave it on for 30 minutes. So I have some concerns about this teeth whitening product. Yeah, so I'm going to just brush my teeth with some Sensodyne toothpaste and pray to the teeth gods that this is not going to hurt my teeth or the enamel on my teeth. I feel like every time I brush my teeth on camera, it feels like an eternity of brushing. I guess the first question I have to ask myself is, why did I put lip gloss on? I just realised we need to do it before, because what was the point? So here are my teeth. So not the whitest, not the yellowest. I feel like they're just healthy, normal, natural coloured teeth. The perfect candidate for teeth whitening products. I've also worn one of my whitest tops. So you can see like my teeth are not bright white, they're just teeth. So before we dry our teeth, let's just rip into this. Okay, that's what the strips look like. They look, can you even see this? I'm praying that you can. They've got tiny holes in them, they feel quite thick. It kind of feels a bit like a plaster, like a blue breathable plaster. That's the same kind of texture. Let's dry our teeth then. I'm gonna use some tissue and like like this. I just licked my teeth. That was so counterproductive. That feels right. Okay, I do have an exposed like nerve on this tooth, and oh my god, it's screaming. Okay, see the bottom? I feel like I look really gross. I'm doing this for you. I want to give this a real fair, honest trial. I look crazy. Okay, well, here they are. So now I just have to set a timer. 30 minutes. This is stinging my tooth. Here we go. Bam. That might have been the most unattractive thing I've ever put on the internet. So I don't really know what to do with my mouth. Do I keep it open? Is this something? I am so dribbly. Like there is so much saliva in my mouth. My teeth, if you can ignore the dribble, significantly whiter just under the strips. But I don't know if it's just the strips. So let's just take them off and let's see. They're stuck. Help. It's stuck forever. Get off. I'm fighting for my life. Get off. Oh my god. That was really dribbly. Okay, let's do the bottom one. I'm just gonna rinse my mouth out because that's a lot of dribble. I don't think there was a less attractive way I could have done that, to be honest. Oh my god. I'm just gonna see you walking around like this. That looked unreasonably creepy. They are so white. Wow, like look at that next to my top. I'm imagining he uses like a couple times a week. My teeth would be so white. I don't know if I had the patience. So before I reveal the results and give you a before and after, let me talk you through that 30 minutes. That felt like the longest 30 minutes of my life, and I was stood there like this. I just didn't know what to do with my mouth. I was dribbling a lot. That left a really gooey, goopy feeling in my mouth. Even now it feels a little bit weird. I might have to brush my teeth again because it just feels really weird. But they are significantly whiter. I mean, look at that before and after. These are absolutely 100% whiter than what they were. I mean, I noticed a significant difference. There is a huge difference here. So let's just go for a rundown of the pros and cons here. So, pro number one, it works. This might be the best teeth whitening thing I've used so far. This has absolutely 100% worked. And in 30 minutes, I mean, 30 minutes of my life I'm not getting back, but 30 minutes, so much whiter. How long it's gonna last is another question. Pro number two, they were just £29. I personally thought that's a bargain. We get 14 strips in there. I feel like if you used one every week or every couple of weeks, that feels worth it to me. If that meant that I didn't have to go to the dentist and make my teeth feel like they are red raw, fine. Pro number three, it does not hurt. Okay, I'll be honest, for the first like 30 seconds, it did sting like I felt it on my nerve. The dentist really did a number on me, okay? It hurt for 30 seconds. So if you've got sensitive teeth, these first 30 seconds are gonna hurt like, you know, they're gonna hurt, but it went away. And they don't hurt now, like, it doesn't hurt, it feels good. Let's move on to the cons of the product. Con number one, it takes 30 minutes. And you feel that 30 minutes. I'm not gonna act like I did anything proactive in those 30 minutes, but the longest 30 minutes of my life, that's for sure. Con number two, the consistency of the product on my teeth felt very weird. And it left me very, very dribbly. It was not a look, and the texture of it felt very strange in my mouth, but do with that what you will. Con number three. This one I feel like is only going to apply to people that have not perfect teeth. If your teeth aren't straight or perfect, it's only going to hit certain parts of your teeth. You've really got to work it into your teeth, like your crevices, your folds, you got to shape it around your teeth. I am noticing some spotting where it's not quite adhered to my tooth, and it looks a little silly, but it's fine. I'm sure it'll go away. I'm not sure. Con number five. We don't know how long it's gonna last. Not telling me anywhere. I've Googled it, I've searched it. I don't know how long this is gonna last. This could be as temporary as 5 minutes. It could be as temporary as 5 days. I'm not entirely sure, and that does not fill me with joy. But as a whole, the product does work, and it does make your teeth significantly whiter. I mean, like, I keep looking at them. I'm happy. Like, I'm not gonna act like I'm not. I'm not gonna act like I'm not gonna use it, because I definitely, most certainly will use these teeth strips, because the results, they're there. That's everything. So don't forget to check out my other teeth whitening product videos. I have a couple others available for you to check out. So if you're looking for the right teeth whitening product for you, I'll put the playlist down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love to see you. Bye.